The police from Nongstoin Police Station have once again summoned a member of the over allegations that he was involved in checking outsiders in the West Khas Hills district. The KSU member in question has been identified as Blaster Lan Kharbani, Office Secretary in the KSU West Khas Hills District Unit. During his appearance, he was accompanied by leaders of the KSU West Khas Hills District Unit, along with leaders from various circles and other units. According to the statement made by the member, the police based their action on a video where his name was mentioned. However, he stated that he was not involved and knew nothing about the matter.
Social media. Ada base kat social media. Kumno ki iu kot bom dan tu hapo spot. Te kumta mentar kumju ini wi samla la syakot hajar halor ka jing yasim benta ka jing I ha ka jing net khandra mender kat kum ka jing ong ka police department handai kat kum ka jing tip jungi kinong ngelam jung ka seng ba ini samla I imsem la let ban khandra kot khandra sla ka tiga sngi.
Doctors in Meghalaya joined a